We just finished this 110-foot stream. The idea is to build a covert looking like it's coming from the property beyond. So as we're looking at it, that will have fencing behind that, so it looks like the water is coming from somewhere else. The stream runs through the property. Right where this wood is, we're putting a bridge. Just got it running. Streams around. Some large boulders. Continues. That's going to be a beach area. And continues into a pondless vault. A decking where the homeowner is going to be able to sit down and put his feet in the water. There's the sit down area, and the water continues to run. The water's already clearing up, huh?
Oh yeah, quite a bit.
Yeah, it'll clear up a lot more. That's the bridge area. There's the covert. It's gorgeous. Turned out really nice. 14 tons of rock used to create this.